You can't avoid it. It's everywhere. From interest rates increasing, the cost of housing continuously to increase in some areas. Cost of food, goods, services, not including mass layoffs in huge sectors like tech. Things are looking gloomy and rocky all around us, and I know it could be a little scary, but in today's video, I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of solace. I found some information that may be helpful for those who are renters or homeowners. All right, so let's hop onto my computer where you guys can follow along, and I will tell you exactly what to do step by step in order to sign up for this program. Okay, so whether on your computer or on your phone, if you head over to ncsa.org/homeowner-assistant-fund. There you will find the homepage where it says Homeowner Assistant Fund. The Homeowner Assistant Fund, HAF, is a federal program to help homeowners impacted by COVID-19 catch up on a mortgage and utility bills and other housing costs. So if you're someone who's currently behind, or even if you're not behind, you can still apply for this program. If you scroll right down, the Homeowner Assistant Fund is a $9.9 billion federal program to help households who are behind on their mortgage and other housing related expenses due to the impact of COVID-19. The Homeowner Assistance Fund program is overseen by the U.S. Treasury Department and administered by states, territories, and tribes. Nearly every single state and territory has launched their own programs, and others are working diligently to get their programs approved and up and running quickly to help as many homeowners as soon as possible. Some states have been administering pilot assistance programs, while others have finalized their full homeowner assistance fund. Wherever you live, whether it's Kentucky or Massachusetts, you will scroll down and you will see the map. Within this map, it tells you right here, programs that are open, programs that are closed are in gray, programs that are suspended or accepting waitlist applications are in this light blue color. So let's click on, let's see. Most programs are open and very few are closed. Let's take a look and see which ones that are closed. It looks like Alaska is closed. Florida is closed. Yep, that's it. Just Florida and Alaska are closed to the Homeowner Assistance Fund, but every other state is either open or accepting waitlist applications. There's Oregon, Mississippi, Alabama, New York, and Puerto Rico either suspended or accepted applications. Let's take a look to see what Oregon says. All right, so Oregon says the homeowner assistance program is in the phase 3 application. Let's go to a state that's accepted. All right, we're gonna go to Arizona. If you click on Arizona, it goes to the landing page for the application for homeowner assistance fund. Anyone who has been experiencing financial hardship due to COVID-19 after January 21st, 2020 can apply. Before you apply to any of these programs, definitely take a look to see if you qualify. There are some pre-screening questions that you need to answer in order to know if you qualify or not. All right, so you have to live in the state. We live in Arizona. Have you experienced job loss, a reduction in income, or an increased cost due to health care or need to take care of a family member since 2020? Of course, who hasn't? And then tell us about your household income. I live in this place and I have 4 people. Okay, so for Arizona, it looks like the income limit for my county, not my county, I don't live there, but my imaginary county is $96,188. So your income has to be below that in order to move forward with that number of household members. So all of the questionnaires are pretty much the same for each state. But I highly recommend each and every one of you guys, if you're currently struggling or possibly could fall behind on your mortgage. Definitely take a look at this program. I think it's really, really helpful. Pretty much all of the states are accepting applications or in wait lists, except for there's only 2 states that are closed, Florida and Alaska. And the remaining states are either accepting applications or open, or suspended or accepting waitlist applications. Once again, the website is ncsha.org/homeowner-assistant-fund. The link will be in the description box below for you to easily click on it to get where you need to go. Please, 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 if you know of someone who may be in need of assistance with their mortgage payment, utility, taxes for their homes, insurance payments for their homes, please share this video with them and let them know that there is assistance out there that could possibly help them get on their feet or just bridge the gap that they may be needing. So, like I mentioned earlier in the video, over almost $10 billion set aside by the federal government just to help out homeowners who are in need of help and assistance due to the situation we all find ourselves in the last few years. So please be sure to share this video with your friends and family who may be in need of assistance when it comes to their mortgage. And also, I know there's a lot of folks who are not homeowners and may rent. Depending on your state, there's possibility that they may still have help for those who are renters. So be sure to click the same link in the description box below and go to your state and see what it says there, because different states have different options. Some states are still accepting rent relief applications, and while other states have been exacerbated and are closed. But your state may be different, so definitely run, don't walk to that link and see if you can find some help there. That is all I had in this video. I just wanted to talk to you guys about this homeowner assistance fund that I just learned about yesterday. And I was like, yeah, I have to tell you guys about this. I don't know how many other people are talking about it, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you may not see those other people's videos. But like I said, be sure to share this with everyone because folks are in need of help. And there's some states that you may not need to be behind on your mortgage in order to qualify for payment. So it doesn't mean that, oh man, I have to like fall behind in order to get help. No, see if you meet the requirements, and if you do, fill out the application, see where it takes you, you know? So if you guys have any additional questions about the Homeowner Assistance Fund, be sure to leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to take a look and see how I can help you. And I didn't say this earlier, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hello. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me to let YouTube know that you like what it is that I'm doing here. All right. Like I said, I'm super excited about this. So please, please, please share it with your friends. Let those who are renters, homeowners, whatever, know about this home assistance fund. There's $10 billion set aside to help households who may be behind or not on their mortgage or rent payments and other housing related expenses. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Until next time.